And BJP has now countered the charge by Arvind Kejriwal. Now BJP is trying to suggest that after corruption, now Aam Aadmi Party is indulging in extortion as well. Delhi government is now Wasooli Sarkar. That's the reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's listen in.
कट मनी वसूली या एक्सटॉर्शन का पैसा किन किन सीढ़ियों से होकर कहां तक शीशे महल तक जाता था, वो हिसाब आएगा सामने। ये दिल्ली की सरकार रंगदारी की सरकार है, ये तो वसूली सरकार है। अब तक हम भ्रष्टाचारी कहते थे, लेकिन ये वसूली और रंगदारी की सरकार है जो अरविंद केजरीवाल तुम्हारे इशारे पे चल रही है, और इसका हिसाब तो तुम्हें देना होगा।
फिरौती, वसूली और भ्रष्टाचार, यही आम आदमी पार्टी का शिष्टाचार। और जब कार्रवाई हो, कोई गिरफ्तार हो, कोई डिटेन हो, तो चिल्लाएंगे अत्याचार अत्याचार, खेलेंगे विक्टिमहुड कार्ड। आज आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक का और आम आदमी पार्टी का असली चेहरा सामने निकल कर आ चुका है। किस प्रकार से शराब माफिया, फिर उसके बाद बिल्डर माफिया, ड्रग माफिया के बाद अब गुंडों के साथ, गैंगस्टर्स के साथ इनके संबंध है। कैसे फोन पर बात की जाती है कि फिरौती कैसे लेनी है, वसूली कैसे करनी है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Bhavtosh joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Bhavtosh, will talk about the politics on this particular issue in just a bit. But first, I want to understand from you the whole story here, because Arvind Kejriwal seemed to suggest that Mr. Naresh Balyan himself, in fact, has been a victim of this gangster Kapil Sangwan, with whom Naresh Balyan's name is now being associated.
Well, Hina, the entire case started last year when an NLD leader was gunned down in Haryana. Nafez Singh was killed, and then security agencies intercepted a call. This call was allegedly or purportedly between Kapil Sangwan and AAP MLA Naresh Balyan. Now, Naresh Balyan denies that there was any kind of call between him and Kapil Sangwan, who is a gangster, in fact, hiding in London. And he said that he is actually a victim. He was being threatened. But after this call was made public, he went ahead and filed a complaint with the police. Now, yesterday when BJP made these calls again public and held a press conference, he was again summoned by the Delhi Police's crime branch and was placed under arrest. Now, Delhi Police even issued a statement saying that anyone who has any kind of alliance with gangsters who are operating from overseas, then action will be taken against them. Aam Aadmi Party has been maintaining that center has been using their agencies, security agencies, whether it's Enforcement Directorate, Income Tax, CBI, or for that matter Delhi Police, to target their leaders, whether they are MPs, MLAs, or even the national convener, purposely, and this is being done just ahead of assembly elections. Naresh Balyan will be produced before the Rouse Avenue Court anytime now, and Crime Branch has said that they will seek his custody. Interestingly, DCP of Crime Branch, Sanjay Sen, while giving a soundbite to the media, he has said that they have to still verify the voice of Kapil Sangwan. Now, that is something very interesting, because the arrest has taken place just months before assembly election, but the Delhi Police has also now said that they are in process of verifying the voice of Kapil Sangwan, who is still a fugitive, who is said to be hiding in London.